What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Ray, aka Real Ray, aka King Ultimate here, and you can't really see me that much. I don't want you guys to see me, but there you go. Now you can see me. Yeah, so as you can tell by the title, I got something pretty dope, man. This is what I got right here. Yeah. So you know what's about to happen with this thing. So yeah, man. Just got this. I got this little adapter or whatnot. What is it? The 5-in-1? What is it? I don't know. 5-in-1, 3-in-1, whatever adapter for the because it only comes with one type of port. But you know, this is gonna be an unboxing video of this, but I just want to show you guys something real quick. Damn. Got the old school, man. The old school MacBook. I don't know if too many people know. You know what I'm saying? Too many of you young folks know about this one here. But it is a MacBook, an old MacBook, you know what I'm saying? Look how big this is. This is as big as the actual box. Look at this mess. The old MacBook, this is a 2009 model MacBook, is the same size as the box. That's one thing I was very intrigued about when I went to go get the new MacBook. You know what I'm saying? I looked at the MacBook and I saw that the actual MacBook just looks so much smaller than this MacBook. And of course I did a lot of music on this particular MacBook right here. Yeah, I did a lot of music on this MacBook, man. Crazy. So here we go, man. I'm about to go ahead and open up this box and check it out. This is the latest version, latest MacBook Pro. Alrighty, we are opening the box, baby. We are unboxing the MacBook Pro. So obviously, you guys know what I'm going to be using this for. I got it for business, handle some business or whatnot. You know what I'm saying? So that I can handle business while I'm out and about. I'm actually getting ready to go to LA on business, and then I'm also gonna spend some time out there in LA. You know what I'm saying? So obviously, I am going to have some leisure time. You know what I'm saying, to enjoy myself out there while I'm in LA. But I'm going to be on business in downtown LA. Coming up this week, and I need a laptop in order to be able to do what I'm doing out down there. So I need it for business, but then also at the same time, why not get something that I can use for YouTube? You know what I'm saying? So most of the video type of work that I'll be doing on here will be with 1080p videos, and it'll be using this particular camera that I got right here. Yeah, so a lot of my YouTube videos, you're going to be seeing a whole lot more YouTube videos because of the fact that I don't have to be sitting at my computer desk right behind me to actually put a video out. You know what I'm saying? I could be laying in bed doing something, or I can be out and about, visiting someone, you know what I'm saying, or spending time with my parents, or whatever the case may be, spending time with anyone, and I can whip out my laptop and finish whatever video I'm working on. You know what I'm saying? So that's one thing I'm very excited about, is that I'll be able to knock out really quick videos, editing and everything like that, having this particular laptop. But not only that, but I can finally start getting back into the music. You know what I'm saying? So some of you Glennis Grace fans might not necessarily believe that I am a music producer, but maybe I'll show you guys some of my latest work that I'll be doing on this particular laptop, or utilizing this laptop to do. So here it is, man. Look how thin this is, man. It's still inside the packaging, man. Look how thin this thing is. And I'm going to use my I have a case. So here's the original, or here's my 2009, and this is a 2018 MacBook Pro, which actually it's not that much bigger. And now that I'm looking at it, it does take up a lot of that box, a lot of the space in that box, but it is still a lot of space being taken up though. I mean, it's still, you know, a lot smaller, especially thinner. You know what I'm saying? Look how thin that is compared to it, you know? I just want it to stay new, stay brand new. Oh, as soon as I touch it, it turned on. It's already turned it on. And then, oh man, I'm gonna get back to that. I just want to look inside. This is an unboxing video, so I gotta show you guys what's inside the box. I don't know what the heck is in here. Probably just instructions. Yeah. Yeah, just instructions. Power button, force touchpad, stickers. We got our cable here. Got our cable right here, power cable, which all it is a what is it, USB 3 or a Thunderbolt or whatever it's called. Have the power adapter here, which should just come right out of here, and this looks exactly the same as all the other power adapters, maybe a little bit smaller, but it has that same whatever it is. I don't know if that's Thunderbolt or USB-C or what, but yeah, man, I am excited, man. Yeah, it's USB-C. All right, so looks like that's about it. Yeah, that's it. There's nothing else. I'm trying to pull this out, but I can't pull it out. So the old power cable. So it actually is pretty much the same size. Yeah, this is the old power cable right here. As you can see, and of course it doesn't come undone, you know what I'm saying? There's no port or anything like that. And that's the old jack, that port, you know, plugged into the computer. Look at this. Look at that. Then look at this. Look at that comparison, man. And look how the screen size. Look how much less the screen is. The size of the screen is. I'm super ecstatic and excited, man. You know, and it's funny because I was in the store and the guy was telling me, you know, he asked me which one did I want to get. The I forget what color this is, but whatever color this is, which is the darker color versus the silver or lighter gray color. And so when I was looking at it online, I was like, okay, I want the silver color, you know what I'm saying? I want the lighter gray color or whatnot. But then when I got there and I saw the way this looked, it kind of looks like a gunmetal type of color, you know what I'm saying? It just looks so much cooler, so much better, so much doper than the lighter version. So I'm glad I actually decided to go into the store to make sure I bought this, you know what I'm saying? So let me take a look at this here. Let's see here. Let's go to come on, think. Logic Pro X and Final Cut Pro is just so much better for this system. This how, you know, MacBooks are set up. They say that Final Cut Pro is optimized for MacBooks. So what's up, guys? This is your boy. Video's wrapped up. I I just wanted to let you guys know that, man, I just got this computer or whatnot, this laptop. So um, outros and intros haven't quite, been transferred over here to this laptop or put into a place where I can transfer over here. So this video and maybe the next few, 3, 4, 5, maybe even 10 videos, because I'm really going to be trying to pump these out here. These videos won't have the intros and outros and everything like that, and editing is going to be a little bit different because I am using iMovie right now. So I actually, from editing this full video, I actually like iMovie. I don't know, I just like it. I like it a lot. So with that being said, man, it's very user friendly, very intuitive, very quick, easy to use. So I made this video, which is, like a 10-minute video or whatnot. I made that in like, I'd say like 15 minutes, you know what I'm saying? So it was fairly easy, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, we may be still using this. I'll just make sure I transfer my intros and outros over to this computer and, do it from there. But it's not as in depth as Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere, which is what I'm using, but we'll see how we do. But yeah, just be on the lookout for a lot of new videos coming up soon, man. A lot more videos coming up. I have a schedule mapped out and planned out, and yeah, it's gonna be pretty dope, man. And I have a mukbang that's pretty darn funny that's coming out right after this video, so be on the lookout for that. And I'm ready to go ahead and really build my YouTube channel. All right, and I'm very excited and happy for the people that's here already to be on the journey with me. And if you haven't already joined the journey, might want to hop on board right now, man. All right, let's make sure we continue to reach for our dreams and accomplish our goals. All right, see you guys in the next video. Peace.